Hi y'all, what's good with y'all? And today I'm gonna show y'all guys how to use the classic teams such as the 17 Warriors, the 96 Bulls, and 2001 Lakers, 2004 Lakers, and the all-time teams such as all-time Warriors with the prime Wilt Chamberlain, Steph Curry, you got Jason Richardson, you got the all-time Lakers with Anthony Davis, LeBron James. If y'all want to use those type of teams, I'm gonna show y'all something, alright? But first, what you do is, right, say you in the freshman league, junior varsity, junior college, devs, European, NBA, Hall of Fame, and the greatest of all time. You see all that stuff on the right side? Now, if you want to use those teams, right, first what you do is, right, now this is y'all decision, right? If y'all new to this 2K, it's your first time playing, I want y'all to listen up. The ones that have been here and done that, or they already know what to do, just click off, alright? Because you already know what to do. This is people that's new and had no idea what's going on, right? So if you new, I'm gonna let y'all know right now. For example, right? You see this right here, it says tier 1 teams and players, and it says complete, right? This is what people do, right? This is how they stay in the league instead of moving up, right? For example, if you click on this, right, it says complete, right? I'm gonna show you. Tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3, right? You go to tier 1, right? You see it says 3 balls. They show the 3 basketball, right? You press A, or on PlayStation you press X. Now you see it says you have already completed the required number of wins for this tier. Continue, right? Now it's up to you. If you don't want to use the new classic teams or all-time teams, you can say yes, you continue, and you can stay there. That's your decision. Those who's new who wants to use the classic teams, such as the 17 Warriors and things like that, you press no, right? So what you do is, when you press no, you complete it, so you move on. Because what happened is they're gonna force people to use tier 2 and 3 to rank up now. So it's not like the old 2Ks when you could use any tiers and rank up. Not anymore. So if you want to move up, right? For example, say like I want to move up, I need one more ball left for tier 2, right? So you press A or X on Xbox, on PlayStation, right? It just take you straight there. You pick a team, whatever, right? But I already unlocked the tier 2 historic teams, right? So you can able to use like teams like 07 Warriors, 07 Cavs with the prime LeBron James, 06 Heat, 04 Pistons, or 2002 Nets, so on and so on, right? So once I win that, I get 2 balls. So you move on to tier 3, and I gotta get 2 more wins. All right. So could I be getting that in my conversation saying that, oh, how do you use this team? How come I'm matched up with this team, but I can't play with them? This is the reason why, because y'all keep staying at the league. If you want to move up, you gotta win all those tiers, tier 1, 2, and 3. If you want to use the classic teams, the farthest that you reach, if you want to use all the classic teams, just go to the dev league. You can use all the classic teams. Now, if you want to use the all-time teams, just go to Hall of Fame. You use all-time teams. Like for all-time team tier 1, all-time team tier 2, and all-time team tier 3. All right. If you want to use all of them in Hall of Fame, you could go to the greatest of all time league. It's your decision. But if you want to stay and use classic teams, you can stay at the Devs League, the European League. Cause you're able to use all classic teams. So I'm gonna let y'all know right now, cause I be getting that in my conversation, and a lot of people don't understand that because people be staying at the league because they tell them to do it because everybody want to use their favorite team. I get it, but this whack mode right here, this format, 90% of people not feeling that. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it a buck. All right.